Our trusty old friend is back. Because we cannot do anything to hair without water. Absolutely anything.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Sanbonan Dumelang, hello. My name is Malwande Mtetwa. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. Please click on the red subscribe button to become a part of this family. In today's video, I will be taking you guys through how to safely take down a protective style, particularly when you have not used any additional hair fiber. This style I kept for about 3 weeks. And I moisturized my hair once a week. I hydrated it pretty much every day or every other day. I hydrate with water. It's the spray bottle that you saw in the beginning. My first step is to spritz my hair with water thoroughly. I do not work on dry hair ever. This is to prevent unnecessary breakage. And then I proceed to take down my hairstyle. Going very slowly. You will see this clip in particular is sped up, but there are clips that I will be showing in real time so you get a sense of exactly how slowly I was moving. Taking this down took me about 2 hours. My biggest advice is to never take down your hairstyle if you feel like you do not have the time to patiently work through it. The best thing you can do for your hair is to work one area at a time and to detangle as you go, which is exactly what I do. And after that, I then put the section away. As you see here, the front section is now twisted. Look at that curl definition. Absolutely obsessed with curls and seeing my curls pop. Everyone used to say that 4C hair or 4B hair has no curl, but truth is, when your hair is moisturized and well taken care of, it has a very, very beautiful curl pattern, and everyone's is different. This is mine and I love it a lot. This is an example of real-time takedown. Yeah, it looks slowed down, but trust me, it is not. It is real time. This is exactly how patient, how slow I am with taking down my hair, because I want to prevent as little breakage as possible, particularly as someone who has soft hair. My hair is quite soft, so the option to be rough was never there.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wait all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always inside. Good.
I want to get into what exactly are the benefits of styling hair, particularly without hair fiber. I do this when I'm taking a break from hair fiber because yes, I do love my braids. However, every now and then I ensure that I do a style that is just with my hair. The reason for this is that it encourages less touching and less manipulating of my hair. Fact is that our natural hair thrives best when it is left alone. The more you leave your hair alone, as in don't manipulate it, the better it is for its growth and for the reduction of unnecessary breakage. So if my hair is in a style, it means I'm not waking up every day and brushing it and trying to open lines and do all sorts of things that are classified as manipulation. The second is that I have easy access to my scalp for doing treatments and moisturizing it. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair, equals longer hair, equals thicker hair. The third is that I have bouncy hair. So I actually love twists for the fact that when I shake my head, something moves. I know, sounds crazy, sounds childish and boring, but that is my favorite part of it. My hair, when it's not in twists, doesn't just bounce around, or when it's dry and not in twists, it does not just bounce around. But when it is in twists, I just feel like I have just a very fun hairstyle. It feels like braids, but just with my own hair, therefore shorter. But it is just so much fun, and I love the bounce that it gives. Fourth is length retention, which is a very big one. I do these styles so that I can retain length because, yes, I do prioritize healthy hair over long hair. However, in order to see progress with my hair, I do want to see it become longer. And the way to do this is by doing styles so that I can keep my hands out of my hair. The last one is that it saves me time in the morning. Having a hairstyle means my mornings are quicker, meaning I can get to what I need to do in the day quicker. Yes, hair is a very fun part of life. However, we do not live to take care of our hair. So, to be able to shorten my mornings so I can do other things is a very, very strong benefit of styling. I hope that you continue to enjoy the rest of this video. And thank you so much. Please do subscribe and let me know maybe if you have any more tips you would like to share with others in the comments section below. Goodbye.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and with my heart, you think we ever be so hard, crazy, I'm letting down.
So I'm finally done. Looks crazy, but it'll be washed soon. For now, I'm just gonna gather it together. Probably not the neatest way of tying my hair, but it'll have to do.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.